At Shaanxi Roadbest, every asphalt plant is fully assembled and tested before it leaves the factory. From assembly to calibration, every detail ensures efficient on-site operation. Today, let's step into the factory and witness its creation. At this moment, we're assembling the drying drums, mounted high above the asphalt tank. It is the core component for aggregate drying. Next, we will install the lower chamber of the dust collector. To enhance performance, this part has been upgraded and improved. Then, we moved on to installing the hot aggregate elevator. Unlike traditional designs, we've combined the elevator and ladder platforms into one unit, saving space and making transport and installation quicker and easier. We're now installing the control room. Below it is an adjustment layer that can also be used for storage. This is the weighing and mixing section, with an electrical cabinet that makes maintenance and installation easier. Now, the cold aggregate elevator is being installed. Compared to traditional feeding belt conveyors, this design saves more space. The dust collector's upper chamber combines the induced draft fan and filter bags into one compact unit, making transport, commissioning, and maintenance easier. This large-capacity hot aggregate bin features a four-plus-to-chamber design, with a reclaimed filler storage bin and an oversized material bin for full functionality. Now we're fitting the top section of the hot aggregate elevator. Its three-part design makes it easier to move and install. This level houses the vibrating screen with a 4-deck structure and a bypass system. The screen mesh configuration can be customized according to customer requirements.